Alrighty, number one. Very familiar rhythm. 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, Alright, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, Number 2. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and 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 2, 3, double time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, Number 3, 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 3. Double time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 4. This is the one you go as fast as you can. Always starting 60, always going up 5s. No speed goal. 1, 2, 60 beats a minute. Here it is, twice as fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 5. So, use this as a guide for filling everything else out. So, after the C chord, you get your D minor chord next. Zoom out a little bit. Maybe change it to this. Okay. So after the C chord, you're going to have the D minor, just like up here. And then you have the E minor, F major, and so on. So some of these chords we played in the open position and the higher octave. So because this is starting with the open position, the last chord will be a C chord again, just an octave higher. So when you're on these two sets of strings, the chord shape that has the 12th fret in the lowest fret number, that's going to be the one you also write in the open position. You see you came up here to G, 15, 14, 12. 12 is the lowest number in the chord shape, so that's why we moved it down to the open position. So this this way you can play the open string as well. So the chords here are going to have the same shapes as up here. That's because of how the guitar is tuned. Now, these will look different. So when you go from this C chord up to the D minor, all you need to do is move this up a whole step and then flat the middle note. So that'll be the flat third that you're going to make. So this is 1, 3, and 5. So you slide it up a whole step and then you flat the middle note, which is the third, to create that flat third. So you have all the building blocks here. Go back to that sheet that explains what triads are if you need some reminders. And of course, you can always send me messages, ask me questions throughout the week. And you can send me stuff as you fill it out so I can let you know if it's correct or not. So yeah, let me know if any questions come up. And I'll see you next week.